Alright, here we have some postage stamps from Repubblica de San Marino. Alright, a whole bunch of them. Let's start with their beautiful ships. Look at that. Love them. The Lear 2. Lear 3. Love, look at the design of the front of that ship. And the sail just looks so pretty. Nice. There you go. There's a Lear 4. A Lear 5. Wow. A lot goes into the design of the ships, huh? They're pretty. Okay, this one's a little different. Then they got some nice ones of some of the old automobiles. Look at that. Bring them on a stamp to keep them alive, huh? That's kind of a neat design, isn't it? At least it leaves you high off the ground. And look at this one. Lear 1. Very different. Lear 3. Everybody faces each other. It's a little different. I would think a little hard to drive. Get places that way. People are in the way. Hey, move your head. Can see where I'm going. Rather odd. I can see if you had little kids, that'd be cool. But to put adults on the other side here. Interfere with your view, huh? Oh, look at this one. That's different. Lear 2. And this one, oh, this one's up this way here. Look at that. Okay, and then they had just one of the airplanes. Lear 1. Wright Brothers, 1904. And this fella, and this bird, an L2. Beautifully dressed, very distinguished. Ta-da! Very nice. Ooh. Now it's catching supper. And here they are. All part of their archery. And some more. And we have some of their Olympics. We have the sword, we have boxing. Fast walk, I guess. Gymnastics. Alright, and hunting, archery. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed viewing all of these. I kind of like this ship the best here. I like the design of it all. It's kind of pretty. A lot of details in this one. Alright, hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend, and we'll bring you some more. Alright, bye-bye now.